Now if we want to export the map as JPEG with georeferencing information by saving the world file, we need to click on this export as image button, and then let's save it world countries and select the JPEG option from here and save. It will give you an option where you can select export resolution, page width, page height, but it will be automatically calculated if you select the resolution. And always try to check on the enable anti-aliasing so that the scale of your map will be properly maintained. And this is the most important part. If you select this generate world file, if you turn the check mark on, then the georeferencing information will be saved in a world file so that we can import the map to QGIS or other any GIS softwares with georeferencing information. We do not have to manually georeference again. So let's click on this, save. Since this is a big data set, it contains all the countries' boundary of the world, so it will take some more time and the file will be really big. If you have smaller data set, it will be saved immediately. The map is exported successfully. You can see that we have all the countries' boundary shown correctly. Let's close this and try to import exported map here. Let's refresh this first, and then this is the exported file that we have exported a little while ago. Let's import this JPEG file to our project. Now we have imported the exported map, but it says layer has no coordinate reference system set. Let's fix that. Since we exported the map as EPSG 4326, that is WGS 84 CRS, so we need to tell QGIS that make it 4326 CRS. Here you will say that invalid projection because we don't have any projection file there. So let's select the EPSG 4326 that we have exported from and apply. Okay, now you can see that the message has gone. Now let's turn off and see if our file has correctly aligned with the shapefile. You can see that every countries are perfectly aligned with the bottom shapefile. Thanks for watching.